Having kids around the house is undoubtedly a blessing, as these little bundles of joy make your life worth living. But active and naughty children create an unsurmountable mess in your home, which can be exhausting to clean. Of course, we can't blame them as they learn, grow, and have fun by literally destroying everything they lay their hands on. So if you're losing your mind while looking at the cluttered room with toys, blocks, pencil colors, or pieces of paper everywhere, take a deep breath. Before you start searching for how to find a good cleaning company, here are a few tips that can come in handy while cleaning your little one's room. Proudly brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. 1. Divide the room into sections. Working in sections can make your job a lot more convenient and less time-consuming. Scan the room and categorize different types of items, putting them away one by one. Fold or hang the clothes and put them where they belong. Then put all the dirty clothes in the hamper. Next, keep the shoes in the shoe rack or drawer. Place all the toys back on the shelves. At one point, there won't be anything left to tidy up. Make it your routine to clean the room in the same manner, and you won't ever have to worry about it. 2. Keep the room organized. Having good organizational and house cleaning skills work in your favor in the best way possible. Keep your kids' room organized, and most importantly, teach your kids to put the toys back in their place once they are done playing. In addition to helping your child become responsible, this will also reduce your workload. It is best to have toys stored in lid containers with pictures stuck in them. However, make sure to keep them in an accessible location where your kids can easily reach them. By doing so, the children will quickly identify the related image and be encouraged to place their toys in that arrangement. 3. Change the sheets and make the bed. Unmade beds are the biggest reason why a room looks untidy. Once all the things are placed and organized, it's time to change the bed sheet and simply make the bed. You will see a prominent difference within a few minutes. Put the duvet and pillows back on the bed and you are good to go, Mama. 4. Sweep, mop, and vacuum the debris. Children not only scatter the toys they play with everywhere, but also create a mess by littering the floor and spilling fluids even on the carpet. This is gross, but you don't have a choice, do you? The best way to stay on top of things is to clean up dust and debris before they even begin to pile up. After putting every single toy and all other things back in their respective places, sweep, mop, or quickly vacuum the floor. It will make your kids' room look a lot cleaner. Now you've got this. Once you're done with the cleaning, sit back, relax, and enjoy the feeling of a freshly cleaned room until your kids make the mess again. Cleaning your kids' room is a never-ending task because children never stop making a mess. Instead of getting overwhelmed, it's better to follow a routine and stick to it. The above-mentioned cleaning tips will surely make your life a lot easier. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Tell us about the tips you like the most and the ones that you find most useful. And also tell us if you'd like us to make a video on a special topic. We also have a free PDF gift for you to download below in the comment section. And do not forget to go to CleanerOnCall.com for all your professional cleaning services.